One of the first things that we need to do is we need to make sure that our template IDs or our source IDs for our template and our folders are in there properly. If you're copying this app script and putting it into your own spreadsheet, you're going to have to make these changes. So the first thing that I need to do is find the actual ID for the template document that I'll be using to create each participant's form letter, essentially. So the ID can be found after the docs.google.com/documents/d in the URL and before the /edit. So I need to copy this ID, go into my infrastructure and find where the comment out is template ID. That's right here. And I am going to overwrite the existing information there. So that's the source ID for the template. I also need to tell the script where to save the Google Doc. So if I go back to my folders here, I have a folder called Participant Google Doc Documents. And if I double click that, I will find the URL. And after the word folders, I can copy this ID. That's the ID for this specific Google folder in Google Drive or shared drives. And I'm going to go back into the app script and overwrite what's in between the single quotes. So I'm going to paste that information in there. And then I also know there's one other area that asks me to save documents into a folder, and that's this PDF folder ID here. So now I want to go back into my Google Drive, and here's the participant PDF documents folder, and I am going to highlight this ID, go into my script and overwrite the values between the single quotes. And then I'm going to save my app script, go back to my Google Sheet and refresh it so that I can use that information that I just saved.